As we age, one of the most common complaints among seniors is weak legs. This isn't just about mobility, it's about independence, safety, and overall health. If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, don't ignore the signs. The good news is, with the right nutrients, you can support your muscles and even regain strength faster than you think. Today, we're talking about 3 essential vitamins that can help you build stronger legs, starting now. Vitamin D. Let's start with one of the most important vitamins for muscle strength, vitamin D. It helps your body absorb calcium, supports bone health, and improves muscle function. Seniors who don't get enough vitamin D are more likely to feel weak, tired, and unsteady on their feet. The problem is, as we get older, our skin doesn't produce vitamin D from sunlight as efficiently. That's why many seniors are deficient and don't even know it. Low vitamin D levels are directly linked to poor leg strength and frequent falls. A daily supplement or spending 15 to 20 minutes in the morning sun can make a huge difference. Speak to your doctor about the right dose for you. Vitamin B12. Next is vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient for nerve health and energy production. If your legs often feel numb, tingly, or weak, a B12 deficiency might be the hidden cause. This vitamin keeps your nerves communicating properly with your muscles. Without enough B12, your muscles, especially in the legs, may not function correctly, even if they seem healthy. After age 60, your body has a harder time absorbing B12 from food, especially if you're taking certain medications or have digestive issues. A simple blood test can reveal if you're low. If you are, your doctor might recommend B12 supplements or even injections. Vitamin E. The third vitamin that often goes unnoticed is vitamin E. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your muscle cells from damage caused by aging and oxidative stress. Vitamin E plays a key role in muscle repair and endurance. For seniors, this means better leg strength, less fatigue after walking or climbing stairs, and faster recovery from daily activities. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach are great sources. But if you're not getting enough through diet, consider a supplement with your doctor's guidance. These 3 vitamins, D, B12, and E, work together to support stronger, healthier legs. But remember, supplements alone won't replace movement. Combine these vitamins with gentle strength-building exercises like leg raises, walking, or Tai Chi. Even just 15 minutes a day can make a difference over time. Take charge of your leg health today. With the right vitamins and simple changes, you can walk with more strength, confidence, and independence, no matter your age.